Well, give me a break. I got silver cables, battery charger. Still ain't got the clutch line fixed on this thing, but I'm trying to get it to run. I'm just going to set you guys right here on the porch. Don't know what you'll be able to see. Hope it'll be nice. Hope it fires up. I'm gonna set it. Oh, let's see. About right there. Alright. Cut the key off, cut it back on, and it'll fire. Sometimes it'll run, sometimes it won't. There she goes, baby. Hell yeah. There she goes. That's crazy, ain't it? Crazy. my conclusion is this turbo is fucking screwed. That's ridiculous, man. That's fucking ridiculous. Man, look at that. You can't even see the freaking neighborhood up through there. I'm killing my neighbors. So, oh, god dang, man. I don't want to buy another fucking turbo. I gotta get another clothesline. Looks like I'm gonna have to get another turbo. I'm frustrated, man. Frustrated. That's ridiculous. But why does it clear up when I... Why does it clear up when I give it gas? Now let it idle. Let it idle. That's crazy. I got decent fuel pressure. Look at that. That's freaking ridiculous. There's the turbo. I am not going to be anywhere close to having this damn truck done by Saturday. I need to have it done by Saturday, which is tomorrow's Friday, day after tomorrow. Ain't gonna happen. Look at that. You know what? Oh, wait a minute. Get you back on decent focus here. I really hate to say this, but don't buy a damn eBay turbo. No, get it from Jet Performance or whatever. Whoops. It's going to cost you way more than the eBay turbo. I was supposed to have this thing at a car show in 2 days. 2 days. I don't even have my turbo lines hooked up, and this is the first time it's fired up in probably like 3 days. I don't know what's exactly wrong with it, but now the turbo's blowing smoke. I got like a 035 welding tip restrictor in there. It's just a piece of shit turbo. I'm honest with you. That right there, piece of junk. Other than having the engine rebuilt, I got to start all over again. And you know what? I worked too damn much to fool with it. So I'm going back inside. I'm going to get my battery charger and my jumper cables in. And this is going to be the end of this video.